Ladies and gentlemen, my boy Root Bitters is back. Okay, Richard, aka Richard, and he always wears a hat. Okay, put down the fedora, he got on like, a little hat now. Okay, that's almond simple syrup. We talk about how he makes that. Really simple to make. Coffee infused bourbon. Again, guys, this one that as far as mixology goes, you could get away with making this, because some of them are a little difficult to make, but this one's pretty straightforward. A little bit of Fernet. Okay, get that in there. And then he comes behind with espresso with cream. That's very simple. All right. Get some ice in there. And then we shake this bad boy. Shuck. Okay. Grab our little coffee mug. Put some ice cubes in and then pour in our delicious. Look at that, man. Come on. That's nothing but sexiness. Biscotti, he muddles. Okay. Or beats. Okay. And sprinkles a little tidbit on. That's what I'm talking about, Richard. Good job. Root Bitters. Okay, and there you have it.
First things first.
Okay, that's the name of the drink, okay? Mixologists, they make great drinks. Their names a little bit weird, okay? First things first. Yeah. I'm the realist, okay? Iggy Azalea, that's the first time someone said a name all year. Okay, how'd you come up with this one?
Okay, so this is kind of like just inspired by, a rough morning and needing a cocktail. So
we have some hard mornings. This is the second time this dude mentioned mornings to me today. Okay, but anyway, go ahead.
Yeah, so coffee infused bourbon, espresso with cream, Fernet, almond syrup, Biscotti to go with the coffee, and a little bit of vermouth as well.
Okay, so it's coffee infused bourbon.
Yeah.
Okay, and so what is this?
That's espresso with cream.
Just regular espresso cream?
Yeah.
The mixologist, anything could be in here. You never know with them, okay? And then?
Almond syrup that I made.
How'd you make this?
Equal parts, just sugar and water, and then I toasted some almonds in a cast iron skillet.
Yeah, put them in.
You let them kind of toast up, get some flavor, and then put them in the
in the syrup. Yep. Okay, so it's kind of like making simple syrup with almonds inside it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Well, go ahead. Taste.
Yeah,
taste and tell us what you taste. Watch this advanced palate, okay? I'm eating. Mind your own business.
That's good.
Well, just tell us it's good. You got to go deeper than that. Yeah, that's good.
It's good. It's good. I approve.
What do you taste, though?
I taste coffee. I taste a little bit of cream, some almonds. Yeah. We got a little bit of mint for color there. Yeah.
These guys can't describe their drinks worth shit. Okay.
No, I can't.
If this was a car, what kind of car would it be?
That would be a pretty cow, for sure.
A what?
A pretty cow.
A pretty cow?
Yeah.
What's a pretty cow?
What are you talking about? Like a cow? Like a animal?
No, not a cow. A car. Sorry. A car, not a cow. What kind of cow would it be?
A car? It would be, this would be an SUV packed with kids because it's a rough morning.
But before we get to the SUV with kids, right, let's go back. What kind of cow would that be? What kind of question is that?
I don't know where you were going with that. I thought maybe with the cream and the espresso.
Like what kind of cow would it be? Oh, it'd be a cow with white, it's white with black spots. I don't know.
That would probably be a brown cow.
Guys, go check out this awesome drink, okay? God, it smells awesome. Anyway, listen, go follow Roots on Instagram, okay, at Roots Bitters, all right?
Yep.
His real name is Richard, but I like Roots. That's good. It's my boy here, Roots. I think it work better with girls. It's my boy Roots. Richard, this is my boy Richard. No, this is my boy Roots.
Let's do it. Let's go out tonight.
Getting deep. Roots. Stay tipsy!